everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a Crochet Society official unboxing. Now, I usually do these live. However, if you've been following along, you may know that I am due to have a baby either right as I'm putting this video live. She might be here, I might still be waiting, but either way, it's very, very close to my due date. So I am pre-recording this video just because obviously things are all up in the air at the moment and I don't know what's going to be happening at the point where I normally do my live unboxing. So forgive me that this is pre-recorded, but if I am not in labour, I will be watching this video and replying to your comments and having a bit of a chat with you at the time. Unless, of course, I'm holding a newborn and I'm in that newborn bubble, but we shall see. Either way, I hope you enjoy this unboxing. We are going to be unboxing this gorgeous box here, which is Crochet Society Box 22. It is absolutely gorgeous. I think this box is just absolutely stunning. I just love the look of it, and it's been really exciting to see everybody's reactions from this box as well. So please leave me a comment in the comment section, whether you're watching on YouTube or Facebook, and let me know what you thought to it and what your favourite parts of this box were. So let's get started and let's take a look inside this box. Okay, so let's go. That is just the most satisfying sound ever. Look how stunning this box is. So inside it says Midnight Crochet Club. Don't forget to share your makes with us, hashtag Crochet Society. So if you do make anything from the boxes, please make sure that you are using that hashtag so that we can see your makes. We have this gorgeous midnight blue tissue paper in here, and let's take a look inside the box. Okay, so first of all we have the yarn. This is just a gorgeous yarn. I absolutely adore this. This is the Tea Time Chunky Bella Coco Crochet. This is an exclusive yarn to the box, and we have it in Chai and Earl Grey, which I just think are absolutely stunning colours. I just love the chunkiness of this yarn. It is absolutely beautiful. It's an 85% acrylic blend and 15% wool, and it's just gorgeous. I really, really like this. Let me know what you thought to it. Super soft, really nice to work with as well. So yeah, let me know what you thought to the yarn in this month's box. To go alongside the yarn, we have the stunning crochet hook. This is a 7mm crochet hook. So let me just show you here. Isn't that absolutely stunning? So we have some glitter on there, and then we have the darker blue patches, and then we have the ombre fade. I just absolutely love this hook. I think this is the biggest hook we've done so far in the boxes, so it's really nice to have a 7mm crochet hook in there. And then another staple that we have in the box is this gorgeous stitch marker, and you see that there. So it is a sun stitch marker, and it is just really, really cute. In every box you get your yarn, you get a bespoke crochet hook, which are seen as collectibles now because you can't get them anywhere else other than in the boxes, and then also your exclusive stitch marker. So we're building up a lovely collection of those now, and then we also get the goodies, which I'm going to get into now. We do have some stuffing in this box, and then we also have these extra bits. So first of all, we have the Midnight Crochet Club little star lights, which are absolutely gorgeous. I think these will make a really good addition to like flat lays if you're taking any pictures for Instagram and things. I am actually going to put these in my hospital bag for when I go into labour, because I think they are just super gorgeous, and creating that nice, calm and relaxing atmosphere. They would also look really lovely in your craft room to decorate your space and just create that really nice, calm and tranquil space that we like to create when we are crocheting. We also have this sew on patch. I know that a lot of you really like these patches and collect them, so you can sew this onto your crochet bag if you want to, or wherever. Let me know, what are you going to do with your crochet patch? But this says Midnight Crochet Club, and it's really, really sweet. I really like that. We've had a couple of patches now. We then also have, and some of these bits are to go with the patterns in the book, which I'll show you shortly. So we have, let me just open this here. So we have, let me try and show you these. We have these gorgeous moon and star buttons, which are really sweet. They're like pearlized iridescent buttons for your projects. I absolutely love those. So they come in a little pouch like this. We also have some glitter embroidery thread, which you can use on your projects. We have silver, gold, and then this gorgeous copper kind of colour here. Also inside your box, you will have, if I can get them open, your safety eyes for one of the projects, which I'll show you shortly, and then also a piece of felt as well, which is also for one of your projects. So that is everything inside the box. And then also we have the book, which comes with the box, so the mini magazine. What we're doing a little bit differently now is, rather than having the code with the code for the exclusive video tutorials, which are done by myself, and also the conversion chart, we're trying to cut down on the amount of paper and things that we're using. So we thought it'd be a good idea to have it in the book. So they are now in the book in case you're looking for those, but it just keeps it all nice and handy in one place. So don't worry if you're looking for your piece of card, it is in here now. So let's go through this mini magazine. Okay, so inside your mini magazine you have a little welcome from me, which you always get in each magazine, and then you have your contents. Every month we feature one of the designers, and this month we're doing Tea and Chat with Beardy and Blondie, also known as Jordan and Mike. They have featured in the Crochet Society boxes before, so it's really nice to have them back again, and I absolutely love their project that they did for this. So that's just really nice to sit down with and have a cup of tea and have a read through. And now I'm going to show you the project that they have done for this box. So this is Opal the Owl. And how adorable is Opal? So I have my little owl here, and it's just so cute. So you'll notice that this is what the felt and the eyes are for. There is also some embroidery on the front of here, but I haven't actually done my embroidery. But how adorable is Opal? Is Opal a boy or a girl? I'm not sure. I'm going to say girl, I think, but let me know what you think, boy or girl. But she is just so sweet, and I absolutely love her. I really enjoyed making her and seeing her come to life. So yes, if you made that, let me know. And also don't forget, if you're tagging your makes on Instagram, that you're tagging Beardy and Blondie and also Crochet Society, because we would love to see. Don't forget to also use hashtag Crochet Society Star, because every month we do a competition where you can win £25 gift voucher to spend in the shop. So make sure that you're using that hashtag. All you have to do is make something from the box and share it, and then you'll be entered to win that month. So as I say, that is Opal the Owl, just absolutely adorable. And then we have the page which tells you everything which is in the box, and it's just such a pretty theme this month, isn't it? I just absolutely adore it. Now, because the yarn is a Coco crochet yarn and it's an exclusive yarn to the box, you can't buy it anywhere else. We always give you alternative yarns if you want to buy something very similar, and these are the alternative yarns in this box. So we have the Stylecraft Special XL, King Cole Big Value Super Chunky, Rowan Big Wool, James C. Brett Amazon Super Chunky. So there are alternatives if you want to purchase some more and make something very similar. Next up we have the Purebliss Handbag, which is by Marta Marquez, Busy Crochet Bug on Instagram. I really love this pattern. Now I've made mine, however, if you're in the Facebook group, you might have seen that there was just a little bit of an error with the video. Marta actually wrote her pattern in US terms originally, and the pattern that I had to work from, because I have been trying to film these videos so far in advance so that I knew that they were ready for when I went off to have my little girl. And the pattern that I had was still in US terms, and I work in UK terms for Crochet Society. So that meant that the base that I did was done in double crochet, where it was supposed to be in treble crochet. However, I still think it's turned out really cute. It's just got a slightly smaller base, and it's probably not as stiff as it would be with a treble base. So we have tried to amend that for you on the actual video. So just bear that in mind if you haven't made this yet and you are going to make it. The base is actually much wider ordinarily. But how cute is that? I absolutely love it. I really do love it. I just think it's a perfect little basket for putting things in your craft room, or carrying your yarn with you from one room to another. But I just think it's stunning, and those two colours together look absolutely amazing. So thank you, Marta, for making that. And yeah, it's just beautiful. It will also turn out slightly taller as well than what mine has, because these top stitches are also treble, I believe, and not double like I have done. So apologies for that. Next up we have some information all about making your own chunky yarn. So that's really nice to have a sit and read. So it's all about using maybe DK weight and how to combine different colours to make a chunkier weight yarn. We have some offers for you, which always come in really handy. And then we have Orion Cowl by Toya Winters, who is Toya Winters on Instagram. Now I did a sample section of this cowl and it's just absolutely beautiful. Excuse my ends. But it's using the star stitch and it's just stunning. Those colours again together are absolutely beautiful. And then she has used the embroidery floss and also the buttons on her cowl as well. It's just a really fun make and looks beautiful on as well. So as always, we always feature some of your makes in the magazine. So here are some of the makes that we have featured this month. Some really gorgeous projects in there. We have the Estelle Shrug here. We also have Clarence the Cloud. We have the cushion. We have some of the blankets from the Crochet Society Advent Calendar. And look at this gorgeous little pooch here. How cute. And then we have some information about the next box. If you haven't seen the next box, I will show you shortly. But that is what's inside this box this month. I just think it's a really beautiful box, some gorgeous things in there, and I love the makes as well. So please make sure that you leave me a comment and let me know which thing you made, which is your favourite, what's your favourite part of the box, because I always love to hear what you guys think. It's such an exciting time doing the unboxing and seeing your reactions. So let me know. If you have not subscribed to the Crochet Society boxes yet, then we have the box after this, which is due to go out, and this is box 23. It's absolutely gorgeous. I think I actually showed you this on my last unboxing, but the designer reveal for this will be on my channel as well. And I am going to show you the next box after this as well. I'm going to leave in the description box below all of the details of what box is available if you subscribe now. Obviously, because I'm filming this in advance, I just want to be clear on exactly what box you can sign up by the time that this video goes live. So check out the description box either above or below this video for those details. But I do want to show you box 24, which is gorgeous. I say this about every box. But I think the last 3 boxes have been so different, and then this one is different again. Wow, look at that. I just adore it. So we have some gorgeous colours on there. We have the pinks, the purples, the blue. It's just stunning. So there's a little sneak peek for you for box 24. As I say, I'll leave all the links in the description box below so that you can check it out. But basically at the Crochet Society website, you can head across there, crochetsociety.co.uk, and you'll find all of the information of what boxes are available, including the information on your subscription options. There is a little tab so that you can see what the price is per country. All of the prices on the website are inclusive of postage and packaging, so you're not going to get any additional charges once you go through to checkout. So that's really good. What you see is what you get. So go and check that out so you can see what the prices are for the different subscription options and for your country. But I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. Again, apologies that it's not a live like it normally is, but I hope that you have equally enjoyed watching. I will read the comments and try and get back to all of you. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you again next time. Bye!